Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we will continue our data structure series with merge sort program. Moving on to the coding part, let's learn something about merge sort. Merge sort is a divide and conquer method. Here let's consider an array of 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82 and 10. The number below the array represents the step number. Like this is the first step dividing these two, and then this is the second step dividing these two, and so on. Here for our first array is divided into two parts from its mid, which is 3. Then it is divided again from 38 and 27 and 43 and 3. Then it will be divided until each element has its own array. Then it will be compared and arranged in ascending order, like 38 and 27 it will become 27 and 38, and likewise for other part, and it will be merged after comparing, like 3, 27, 38 and 43. Then we will go to our second part. It will be arranged in likewise same order, and then these two array will be compared and will be arranged to form a complete array, a sorted array. For the code of merge sort, we will first define a class msort. We will define an empty list, let's call it as data, and we will define our insert function. Here we will take an input from user, let's call it as val. It will be of integer type. Let's print a message in the input, enter the data. Now we will append this val in the data list. Now we will give user two choice, one to insert another data, and two to go to the main menu. So input, we will print a statement inside input, and one to insert another data, two to go to main menu. And we will check this input in our if else condition. So if ch equals to 1, we will recall our insert function. If ch equals 2, then we will return from the function, else we will print that choice is wrong choice. Try again. Now our insert function is done. Now we will start our merge sort function. Here we will check the length of the array. So if length of array is greater than 1, we first need to take an input in the function. We will find the midpoint of this array. Midpoint will be length integer division by 2. Left will be array from start to its mid, and right will be array from mid till end. Here we have divided our array into two parts, one is left and another is right. Now we will call merge sort function again, and we will pass left in first and right in the second. Now we will declare three variables I, j, k, which will be equal to 0 initially. Now we will run a loop while I is less than length of left and j is less than length of right. Now if ARR, sorry, not ARR, left of I, element at ith of left is less than element at jth place of right, then we will append at k in array left's I and we will increase I by 1, else means right is less than left, so we will at arrays k we will append right's j and we will increase j by 1, and at the end of if else statement we will increase k by 1, because in both if and else we are appending a value at k, so we have to increase k. Now in our next while loop we will check if there is any element left in our left and right. So while I is less than length of left, we will append at arrays k left's I, and I will be plus equals to 1 and k will be plus equals to 1. Now we will do the same for the right. Copy and paste. We just need to change here I to j and left to right. Again here I to j and left to right. Here I will also change to j. Now our function is complete. Now we will define the display function. Here we will call the merge sort function and pass self.data in it, so that the array starts from the data we took in input from the user. Now we will print in a statement sorted data is. Now we will run a loop for I in self.data, print I. Now we will define our main function. We need to define our object equals to msort. Object will be created. Now we can copy this loop from our another function. We don't need to copy the object, we will copy from while. Here we will paste it. Here input 1 to insert, 2 to display and 3 to exit. We have wrote some different spelling of insert. Oh yeah, we wrote 2 e's in our insert by mistake. Now we will run the function. If you learned anything from this video, please hit the like button. If you have any doubt, please drop it into the comment section and stay connected for more. Thanks for watching.